Trigonometric progression, chapter 1, exercise 1.3, question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with center alternatively at A and B. Starting with center at A of radius 0.5 centimeters, 1.0 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, 2.0 centimeters. Now, as shown in the figure, what is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? See here is one semicircle. This is one semicircle, and this semicircle center is A, and here this is one more semicircle. For this semicircle center is B. This is L3. This is one more semicircle. For this center is A. This is fourth semicircle. This center is B. Like that, total 13 semicircles are there. See, this is a circle and this one is a semicircle. Circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now, perimeter of a semicircle is equal to, say exactly it is half. That means 2 pi r by 2. 2 cancel. That is equal to pi r. Now, perimeter of a semicircle is pi r. See here, they given lengths L1. First take L1. L1 is equal to pi r. Here R1 what? 0.5 centimeters. R into 0.5, that is equal to pi into 5 by 10. Remove that point. Now, pi into 5 by 10 means 5 ones are 5 twos are. That means pi by 2. L1 is pi by 2. Now, L2. L2 is equal to pi into, here R is 1. That means pi into 1 is pi. Now, L3. L3 is equal to pi into R is 1.5. 1.5, that is equal to pi into, remove that point. That means 15 by 10. If we cancel these two, we will get 5 3s are 5 2s are. That means 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Now we know the L1, L2 and L3. Now D is equal to what here? D is equal to L2 minus L1. L2 minus L1. See, L2 is pi by 2. L2 is pi by 2 minus L1 is L2 is pi. L2 is pi minus L1 is pi by 2. D is equal to L2 minus L1, that is equal to L2 is pi minus L1 is pi by 2. If we take LCM, 2 pi minus pi by 2, that is equal to pi by 2. Now D value is pi by 2. A is equal to L1 is equal to L1 value is pi by 2. L1 is pi by 2. L1 is pi by 2. Now we know the A value and D value. Now Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now Sn means n is here 13 semicircles are. That means S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into A value pi by 2 plus 13 minus 1. N minus 1 means 13 minus 1. 13 minus 1 is 12 into D value pi by 2. Here 2 ones are 2, 6 are. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Now S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into what left here, pi plus 6 pi. Pi plus 6 pi, that is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 pi. Pi plus 6 pi is 7 pi. That means S13 is equal to here 13 by 2 into 7 into pi value is 22 by 7. 7 cancel here. 2 and 2 ones are 2 11s are. Now S13 is equal to 13 into 11. Now S13 is equal to 13 11s are 143 centimeters. 143 centimeters. Now the length of a spiral is 143 centimeters.